my gentleness in the ruthlessness that lies beneath. Every time you talk with someone is an opportunity to inspire change. And all that we often have to do is convey that urge, that desire to transform with our voice. Hi guys, my name is Jeff. I'm from Diverses, and I'm right now a pronunciation coach and also a communication coach, helping people, including poets, with techniques for changing their performances into real, inspirational, moving performances from the stage. And so today we're going to be playing around with one element of contrast that you can use with your voice that can immediately transform the way that you give your poem to your audience. We're going to be playing around with speed. Speed means that sometimes you're going to talk really, really fast, but then sometimes go slow, because a lot of times when people perform poems, they stay at the same speed for 90% of it, 100% of it. Let's play around with that a little bit more. So this is an example of a poem. This poem is entitled What Scares Me. It was sent to me by Mark Sebastian Jordan. Thank you so much for allowing me to play with this poem. One of the reasons I picked speed for this as well, because the title of the poem is What Scares Me again, and fear is something that makes people nervous. And what do people do when they're nervous? They tend to speed up. They go really, really fast. But I think also when we think about like the impending doom, sometimes that also causes things to slow down a bit. So I think we'll have some opportunities to really have some fun here. We're going to play around with speed. Here's just one example of something that you can do with your own voice that can completely change the experience for your listener. What scares me? The kind of gray sky that scrapes your skin. The empty calories of watching beautiful people arriving before everyone else started even to move. My gentleness in the ruthlessness that lies beneath. Seeing stereotypes trapped in the same old ballet. Being stereotypes trapped in the same old ballet. Starring in my own epic parody. The dimming of the torch. Expectations. You. What do you think, guys? Where are the moments in this poem that you think could work really well going slow? Where do you think are some good moments to speed up?